Peace everybody, good morning. I'm here with my nephew Noah and we are heading to the park today. Say hello, Noah.
Hello.
And we are gonna go ahead and put this baby to race. I'm gonna teach Noah how to put it to race it with a remote control, and it's gonna be an amazing experience. So we're about to head to the park in a few minutes, so I am gonna go ahead and give you an experience of the entire trip all the way down there. So let's actually get this going. Peace. There you go. Yeah, it is very heavy now.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna turn around, dance. I just wanna have fun, turn around. I just wanna.
He's gonna teach me how to write this. To teach me how to ride the book. And if we use a remote controller to make it move.
You ready?
Yes.
All right, turn on the remote control right here. There's a little button right there. Push it up. Okay. Is the light on? Are the light on?
Yes, Mr.
Is it red?
Yes.
Okay. So now we're gonna turn on.
This bad boy.
Okay, move it. See if it move the steering wheel. The steering wheel, yeah. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
It could move.
Slow, Noah, slow. Remember where you're going, okay? Remember where you're going. This way, that way. Go. Go. Oh!
Wait, it flipped and it made it.
You see, we cannot go anywhere now because it doesn't have no reverse. So we have to flip it.
But look,
Good job, by the way. That's awesome.
look, it's the lid.
What is the name of that? It's a beacon.
Beacon.
It's a tracker.
Tractor.
Yes.
Now the drone needs to follow the beacon.
That is gonna be put on.
It's gonna be put on this.
Awesome, right? Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Stranger.